Hi there everyone, this is DJ from GarageFarm.net Academy coming at you with another episode of CG Insight, fresh news from CGI industry. This time we're taking a look at Microsoft joining the Blender Development Fund, another big fish in the pond, so let's take a dive right into it. But before we jump, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. 2019 was the big year for Blender as it hit big time with some huge names from the industry such as Epic, Ubisoft, Intel or Nvidia, giving its development a boost, joining the open source bandwagon. The trend just keeps continuing throughout 2020. This time it is Microsoft, the loved and hated but definitely prominent player in software development world. For some people, Redmond giant supporting open source projects might sound like blasphemy. Blasphemer! But in fact, it has been happening for years in the open source world. And having another dominant player responsible for one of Blender's main platforms, which is Windows, no offense towards all ye Linux fans, seems just a plus for Blender's future growth. As of now, the official statement from Blender Foundation is that, to express their support, Microsoft is joining the Blender Foundation's Development Fund as a corporate gold member, which basically means it will donate 30,000 euros per year. This might not seem like a huge number, but stable financial support is exactly what Blender needs for stable, reliable growth and maturing as a professional tool. Blender Foundation also mentions that Microsoft makes use of Blender to generate synthetic 3D models and images of humans that can be used to train AI models. For researchers, having access to high-quality free open-source 3D software has proven to be of great benefit for scientific projects. Seems like the Blender hype that started with the 2.80 release is not going anywhere soon. So we'll keep you informed on how things are going for Blender in the CG industry. What do you think about such moves from big companies regarding Blender? Is that going to benefit Blender's community, or do you fear of it losing the nerdy edge to it and become just another part of corporate world, open source or not? Don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep on rendering and see you in the next episodes of CG Insight.